how to show the current refresh rate settings that every time you touch or interact with your display on your Pixel phone with Android 16, you're going to see what the actual refresh rate is. In order to do this, you will need to enable developer options, and here's how you go about doing this. Look for the settings, and once you are in the main settings of your Pixel phone, just go all the way to the part that will say About Phone right here. And with Android 16, you'll need to go down to the very bottom until you see Build Number. Tapping on this 7 times will enable developer mode, but I already have mine enabled, but you'll have to tap it 7 times. And once you're done with all that there, just go ahead into the search settings and type in the words developer options. Go ahead and type that in, and you're going to see the developer options show up, and turn it on if it's not on yet. Now that you're here, go down the list of developer options here for your Pixel phone. And this is also available on other Android phones, by the way. Okay, so it's just about the same thing. Once you get developer mode enabled, you are good to go. All right, and you're gonna look for the one that says show refresh rate. And once you turn this on here, you'll now notice that your refresh rate is always going to be shown there. So if you're moving anything, it'll be to 90 for this phone here in particular, and then it'll be 60. So depending on your smartphone will determine the refresh rate, like and so.